Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see how can we utilize the stats command in terms of Shodan. So when you use this particular command, it is going to provide you the summary information about a search query that you are going to perform. For example, if you're going to perform a search query for, let's say, FTP, then it is going to give you the aggregate data about the FTP server that are being opened, and the data is being collected by Shodan into its database. So let's see the practical and how you can run this particular command. So I have already run the particular command in which you can see Shodan stats for FTP, and you can see over here the top 10 results for the facet for country. As you can see, most of the FTP servers are from the country which is US, and then DE, then Japan, China, and so on. And you can see India is also there. All right, if you see here top 10 results for the particular facet, that is org, then you can see most of the FTP servers belong to this particular organizations, which is home.pls.a, and you can see web communication, Deutsche, OVHS, China Telecom, and these all are again, this particular is again belong to China, Verizon, GoDaddy, Pair Networks, and Entity. All right, so let us just modify this particular command, and instead of FTP, let's try to search about the big IPs. So let us see the stats of the big IP server because of the CVE 2020-5902, the remote code execution which is going on. So let us see the results, and you can see most of the servers are from the country from US, which is 3,41,902 servers which are being hosted over there. And if you see organization wise, then most of are from ServiceNow, 62,854 big IP servers. Next are hosted on Akamai, Salesforce, Amazon, Oracle, and so on. So this is how you get the stats for a particular server or a particular protocol version that you want to search for. I hope you guys understood how you can check the stats, and you will come to know the country which is using the most and the particular organization. Thank you.